Okay guys, let's talk about this forge. Now, this is known as a soup can forge, right? And all that silver stuff is rock wall insulation. Okay, so if you Google a soup can forge, pretty standard. So basically, you get yourself a big can like this, so a big dog food can. This is a homebrew tin, but decent size. Then you make a hole in the bottom. You fill the inside with plaster of Paris and sand, sharp sand. So the sand melts, turns into glass, and you end up with a fire brick. So the fire brick is lined inside, so the steel won't melt. And then I've put the insulation around the outside just to keep the heat into it. Okay, so if I need to anneal anything, I can put it in there, burn it, and then I've got another blanket over there that I put over the whole thing, and I can leave it in there overnight, as opposed to lighting my fire. Yeah. Okay, I've also put it on a little wooden stand which I can clamp to the block so it's not going to fall down anywhere. Okay, so this hole in the back here is to take a burner, right? So this is a bit industrial, yeah. So you've got a click start, and then this is attached to a gas bottle, right? So we don't want the gas bottle, we want the gas bottle out the way, yeah, but we don't want it completely out the way, because if something goes wrong, you can shut it off from here, yeah, or we can shut it off from here. Okay, so it gives you an option to step back, turn the gas off, let the thing burn, get out of the way. You can do it with smaller torches. You can do it with these, but this is seriously expensive, and they just don't kick out the same amount of calories as something like this will. Okay, so have a little Google around, see if you can get one of these in a regulator. And these propane tanks are by far the cheapest. Okay, so today I'm gonna have a little play, fire it up, make sure it's working, because I've got a couple of knives to do which will need a heat treat, which are currently in the fire, but that's a totally different video. Okay, so I'm gonna have a play with the bash some bits of steel and see how soft I can get them, see what the temperature range is like on this thing. I've not used this for about 4 years. It's just been sitting in the shed. It's collapsed a little bit, but hopefully I'll still get another burn out of it and not have to rebuild it, because with the current lockdown I don't think I'll be able to go shopping for plaster of Paris. Doesn't really seem a necessity, does it, guys?